In this demo, I'm going to show you the Oracle Digital Assistant feature, just to explain how easy it is to showcase the interactive, intuitive, and useful feature for entering expenses. And this tool uses conversational text and meaningful information without the need to log in and open the expenses application. So I've logged in as an employee who has access to the self-service employee role. And I'm now going to navigate to the Oracle Digital Assistant chat over here. And we can see that the chat window has now opened. So in this message area, I'm going to enter some instructions for creating my expense item. So I've tried to enter as much information as possible in order to support Oracle Digital Assistant. And then I click on Send. So the assistant is now responding, and I have to select the type of expense. So I'm going to select lunch. So ODA, or Oracle Digital Assistant, has confirmed some of the information, including a description. So I now have to tap Create if I'm happy with the information, or to modify, I'm going to enter some more information in here. So now I can review the details for the expense item and then click on Create. Okay, so ODA has responded to confirm that the expense item has been created, but I now need to go into the expenses application in order to complete the submission. So I've opened up the travel and expenses work area, and just down here we can see Digital Assistant expense item, and this is the expense item that I have just created. So to complete the expense, I click on the option here and now choose Create Report. And I can now close the conversation and enter the header information for my expense report. I'm going to add a receipt. So I have now attached the receipt, so I can click on OK and then choose Yes to confirm that I have read the terms and conditions, and then choose Submit. Now for the last part of the demo, I'm going to show you how you can use Oracle Digital Assistant to complete the expense item using a receipt image. So I'll go to ODA once again, and I'll just ignore some of these tasks, and I'm going to choose Create Expenses Using Image. Okay, so Digital Assistant has responded with more information. So what I need to do now is click on the paperclip and then click on Share Image or Video, and I will now select the image of the receipt. So I have now uploaded the image of the receipt, and we can see that ODA has confirmed that they have received the image. So I'm going to enter Done, and then I'll choose Create. And now ODA has confirmed that the expense item has been created. So I now need to go into the expenses application to submit the expense. And I'll close the chat. Okay, and we can see once again under the Digital Assistant item section that the record is now visible, and there is also an attachment. So let's just open up the expense line item so that we can see more information. Okay, so the information is very simple. So here we have the date, the expense type, which we can change if necessary, and the expense location and the amount information, as well as the receipt. So I'm going to choose Save and Close, and I'm going to select the expense item line and then choose Create Report. And then just give it a header. And then choose Yes, I have read the corporate policies, and now choose Submit.